You are welcome to Model 2 of the Mastering YouTube Content Creation course. In this section, we will explore the different content formats we have on YouTube, and we also learn how to use them to grow your channel effectively. So, without wasting much time, let's begin the Model 2. So, Model 2, we will explore YouTube videos, which you already know. We talk more about YouTube Shorts. People have less information on that. We talk about YouTube posts, and finally live streaming, right? So at the end of this model, you will be able to identify and differentiate YouTube content format. Please note, the content format is not the same as content type. We spoke about content type in the previous video. You also be able to select the best content format for your YouTube channel. Then you also be able to apply the best practices for creating engaging content. Then you also be able to leverage your YouTube short for rapid growth. This one is so important. You also learn how to host a professional live stream, right? So without wasting much time, let's begin with the very first one. So what are YouTube videos? You already know what YouTube videos are. They are the traditional long form of video that is more than 1 minute. What is the purpose for creating YouTube videos? From the creator's point of view, we create videos for two main things. One, whether to educate people or to inform them or to entertain them, right? And second, to make money. So from the creator's point of view, these are the two main purpose for creating YouTube video. And the video can be in the form of the content type I spoke about. So you just select the best content type that works for you. All right. Okay, so what are the best practices if you want to create video? What are some of the best practices? You should always keep intros short and engaging. Some videos are boring. Intro is more than 30 seconds. That is so bad. So there's a model for intros and outros. Yeah, make sure you learn that too. You just keep it brief and make it engaging, right? And probably, if you can, use storytelling. Those contents sell a lot, right? And it's retain viewers. They don't just watch and leave. They just stuck to the video, right? And also try and use call to action. Tell them to subscribe, tell them to like, tell them to comment, right? If you do this, when viewers watch the video, they will come back for a different one. Then another thing is length video length. Please, this one is so important. If you're a beginner, your video length should be between 5 to 10 minutes. Don't make a long video. uh, 5 to 10 minutes. The reason why I'm saying 5 to 10 minutes is because now YouTube Shorts has increased the time from 1 minute to 3 minutes, right? So within those 1 to 3 minutes, you should probably make it a YouTube short. But if you want to record a YouTube video, then it should be 5 to 10 minutes. But if you're an advanced creator, you've been in the game for so long, you can make it 10 to 20 minutes or even 30 minutes. But if the video is too long and it's not a movie, people will just watch parts and leave. You understand? So I'll move away from here and go to YouTube to watch these things and speak about them a little. But before that, let's finish all the content types. The next content type here is YouTube Shorts. Please, from the previous model, we've understood that the main reason why YouTube introduced Shorts is to compete with TikTok, because TikTok was taking over, right? If you are starting out, please start with YouTube Shorts. The reason being that because it is in competition with a different platform, YouTube pushes your short video for you. Right? They don't just leave it like that. They add more effort to push your short. So if you really want to make it, you start with short and later you introduce the main or the traditional video. And what is the purpose of YouTube short? The purpose is to reach a wider audience. Okay, so best practices. What are the best practices to make your shorts really nice? First, Make the first 3 to 5 seconds really engaging. That is when they will watch a video. If it's that boring, within the first to 5 seconds they'll move away. So even if the video is boring, the first 3 to 5 seconds it should be very catchy. Then also try and use trending songs and hashtags. It's like TikTok pepepe. So if you really want to blow, what you do on TikTok that has made you go viral, you do the same thing over here. And you also have to add captions. Do you understand that? Yes. YouTube short is very important. As a new creator, focus on YouTube shorts, because YouTube promotes shorts heavily because they know that they are in competition. And trust me, TikTok has taken over, right? So if you want to grow fast, make sure you create engaging YouTube shorts. The third one is live streaming. Live streaming. Now, with the this is proven, the live streaming helps you to get more watch hours, because before you start making money on YouTube, you must first get your 1,000 subscribers, get 4,000 watch hours, and the watch hours has become a problem. So the trick to getting more watch hours is using YouTube Live, and I'll give you some trick later in the course of, I think, one of the models I focus on only live. What's the purpose? First, to get more watch hours, and secondly, you see, with the live streaming you get an opportunity to chat with your subscribers. You understand? They will ask you questions, you can answer them. So YouTube Live is so important. Yes, it builds trust between you and your audience. Okay. And best practices: one, announce your live stream in advance. Yeah, so you create a community post. A post is like just a picture you post, and you announce that you are going to have a live at this time, and people will come to watch, right? And when they come, don't make it boring, you make it engaging. Interact with them, whatever they say, mention their name in the video, then answer their question, unless maybe they use insults, right? Also, make sure you use visuals and audios. Yeah, it shouldn't be boring. Do everything you can to entertain them. And tools you can use for your live stream is OBS. It's free. StreamYard is also free. Then you can also use the YouTube app. There's this particular one I didn't add. I think it called Restream.io. Yes, this one too is so important. Even if you don't have time, with this one you can record a video and make that video live whilst you are even sleeping. So later when you wake up, you can see all the comments and you answer them. All right. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. The community post is just, I've already spoken about it. Now, as a new content creator, which one should you focus on? My advice is, please focus on YouTube Shorts, because that will help you grow faster compared to the other format. And also make sure you are consistent. You see, YouTube uses algorithm. So if you are posting on Tuesdays, then be consistent and post every day, every Tuesday. If you are posting, let's say, every morning and every evening, yes, use the same time. That is when YouTube will understand what you are doing and will be able to push your video. You don't post today, you wait, another time you post, then you keep changing the pattern. No, be consistent, stick to one day. And our advice, since you are starting, try and post every day, post once every day or once every 2 days. And also try and go live, if once in a month, just to have connection with your viewers or subscribers. All right. So before I speak with about the action tags, let's go straight to YouTube. Yeah, this is my YouTube channel. So yes, this channel is created mainly for to push my maths. When I was a teacher, I created this channel to post math lessons, but it was not growing at all until recently, about 2 weeks ago. I decided to use the same channel to promote my training, upload my training videos, right? And I decided to use a trick, and that trick has helped me gotten more subscribers. I think I have about more than 5,000 subscribers. Yes, I have 5,485. Right? Yeah. I'm not recording the video. I haven't posted any training video yet, but I have this number. Um. So back to the content. Okay. So this is the YouTube video, right? And you can see the length: 5 minutes, 21 minutes, 4 minutes. So it should be between what I mentioned. Okay. And one thing that is so important is use thumbnails. Thumbnail is the image that shows, that appears on the video. That is what people will see first before clicking the video. So I'll talk about thumbnail in a different video, but thumbnails are so important. All right. And my YouTube short, I started posting short recently after deciding I want to use my channel for this project. So I decided to use my YouTube shorts to increase my subscribers, and that helped me get about more than 5,000 subscribers. Yeah. See, I started from here about 2 weeks ago. You see, my math video 56. I wanted it was not moving. So recently that I decided to change it. 25th, I said from 25th December, I think. Yeah. My first video got 500 compared to my math video. Second video 37,000. Third video 30,000. And my YouTube short has been able to grow my YouTube channel. So focus on YouTube short. Yes, these are the live video. Yeah, if you want to go to live, see, I used this some trick I'll teach you for YouTube live. I just posted a video and it kept replaying, and that helped me got more subscribers. See, 161 view, 19 views. This is the first time I went. The second time 161. So if I go the third time, definitely it will grow. Then playlist, so important, right? Then podcast. So yes, that is it. So please, as a beginner, try and focus more on YouTube Shorts. Right. So when you see your subscribers growing, then once in a while you post the video, then before you shift the attention from short to videos. All right. So back to our presentation. Action tags for today. Today I want you to, one, decide which format suits your content. You've spoken about live, you've spoken about short, spoken about video, you've spoken about post. Just reflect on them and decide which of them do you think will suit your content you want to produce. Two, write down 3 video ideas. After deciding, now write down 3 video ideas. And finally, 3, short. Write down some short ideas and live stream ideas. So the live stream, I'll talk about it in a different video. I don't want this video to be so long. All right, so let's end here. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you are serious about YouTube and you want to make this a serious business, now this is an ebook that I've written, and it contains all the guides you need as a beginner to becoming pro. If you are interested in getting a copy, click on the link below.